May I beg to mention item number 6?
The order matters. Just wait for a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes.
Your Lordship, if I may. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Your Lordship. May be fixed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay. After 6 weeks, then date to be fixed by the registry has been placed by the council for the parties. Good.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord,
Yes, ma'am.
in Siomi district, there is this project for land, roads.
Where is the order?
Order is, Lordship, there are 3 orders. There is Annexure 1 series, page 13 onwards.
30.
1313.
What is the first order? Because lots
Sorry,
of petitioners.
page 14 onwards. It's bulky only because there are so many parties here.
No, where the order starts?
Order starts at page 73.
70.
Sorry, this is not the one. Page 73, Lordship.
73.
74 is the operative portion. This is one of the orders. Another one is at page 56. Operative portion is at page 57. Basically, one is at page 56. Operative portion page 57. Next one is at page 73. Operative portion page 74. And the
One is at 73.
Lordship,
One starts at 73.
one starts at 73.
And the
The
next
first one starts at 56.
one. Yes.
These are the orders.
56, 73, and
73. And the continuation order, it starts at page 75. The operative portion is at page page 206, 205, 206. Since this is a matter of 4 writ petitions, there are several orders, but these were taken up together.
yes. Next, what happened?
Then, Lordship, they have started using JCB, this art works and all on the land. So we have made several prayers. That is starting from page 207. 207, this is on 7th of April 2023. We have made to the OCBRTF. Then we have made this complaint saying not to initiate any works. Then the next page at page 208. Here also we have made submissions saying that there is an interim order.
Ma'am, the first order removing the houses of the petitioners.
Yes.
Now, the last order,
Yes,
first order is not to take any coercive action.
yes,
And the second order is that not to remove the houses of
Yes.
the petition. And the third order is till the next date of hearing, as assured and government parties, no coercive measure would be taken against the petitioners.
yes,
Now, if there are the hill cutting and something
yes.
without affecting you,
No,
Uh,
Lordship,
huh,
they are starting on that point. Ultimately, they are in that area, Lordship. Not in just one area, Lordship. In so many simultaneously, around 10 kilometers they've already entered.
now whether they have evicted you from your house, they have removed your houses.
Some of the houses, not all, some of the houses. So, Lordship, we have made several prayers. Then,
Well, not on that at this moment.
Lordship,
We'll not go at those moments. We'll just consider
yes.
hard understanding and council appearing for the petition.
Lordship, I have a prayer, Lordship. When, if notice is issued, Lordship, steps I may be allowed to take by dusty service.
See, as per the High Court rules, contempt petition should be considered only by process server.
Lordship,
Even the register.
There is no-
This is the difficulty.
Yes,
But what we are doing it, we are accepting as register for the contempt petitions.
yes.
And we are not considering, but otherwise, we'll see if on 2-3 occasions it doesn't receive, then we might
Because
consider.
since they've entered already took around 10 kilometers. So it may be difficult. At least if they get a notice from this order, from this court, then they might rethink. In fact,
Where is Kato? Because
I have,
Kato is available in the other court.
haven't seen him.
Okay, inform him that regarding the order to be passed by the court, okay?
Yes.
Matter relates to willful disobedience of the orders dated 24/01/2023, 03/02/2023,
There are two orders on 0203.
passed by the court in WPC numbers 49 within bracket AP of 2023, 123 করে দিবা এই orders the দুটা আছে সেইটো Roman 1 Roman 2 small করে আর তিনটা রিপিটিশন আছে পেজ নাম্বার 1 তে আছে স্যার এটা ABC কে it is stated 49 AP 2023 তারপর 3 AP 2023 and 53 AP 2023. It is stated, though by those two orders, the respondents in those read petitions directed the respondents therein not to take any coercive measures but violating the said orders of the court, the respondent authorities are moving ahead with the construction of 2-lane on the Kaing Tadu Road.
Lordship, it's not Kaing that, it's Kaing Tato, but
Kaing
Pene,
Kayng Tato.
yes.
Yes, Kaing Tato Road.
Specifically Pene village to Tato. Because Kaing, from Kaing to Pene, already road has been built. We are not concerned with that.
Between which portion?
Pene village to Tato,
Just put it.
PENE, to Tato village,
Pene, PENE
PENE,
to Kato.
Tato, TATO.
Okay, see that. In the district of Shiomi,
Xiaomi,
SHI,
SH.
then YOMI Atakabto, Arunachal Pradesh. To that extent, the petitioners have also annexed few photographs pertaining to the construction of the said road. is a notice returnable by 6 weeks. Petitioners,
Lordship, can it be 3 weeks?
not be possible. It will take some time to get the reports,
Yes,
or at best we can make it 4 weeks.
Yes.
Because there will be vacation.
yes,
Office may not be able to send it
yes,
by Monday. Office will remain open up to Monday. By
Yeah.
Monday, they may not be able to send it. So
Yes.
automatically it will go after vacation.
yes,
In that case, thereafter 4 weeks. That is why I have said 6 weeks. Let it be 6 weeks. Once they receive the notice, you inform Mr. Kato and give him an advance copy.
yes.
6 weeks. Returnable by 6 weeks. Petitioner shall take step for service of notice and correspondence by registered post DT on or before 01/07/2020. List according to.
Maybe. This is the contempt. Order was passed in 2022. Till date, they have not complied with, despite there are two specific orders in the contempt application. Still, they are not in a position to. Let's kindly see order dated 5th March, then the last order.
Heard Mr. G. Full Counsel appearing for the petitioner and Mr. G. Tarak, learned counsel appearing for the respondent contender. During the deliberation of the matter,
They are taking another 1 year, again
Mr.
another.
Tarak placed before the court a communication of the respondent contender bank that an amount of arrears salary payable to the petitioner from January 2009 to April 2019 amounting to rupees 82 lakhs 71,461.10. Commutation amount of rupees 17,49,319. Payment of pension from May 2019 as per rules. Within bracket, basic pension is admissible.
This amount is ambiguous because this is monthly pension. What about the area they have not mentioned? What they have said that is current monthly pension.
Amounting to 44,584 monthly amount. Third to नहीं लिखिएगा, payment pension नहीं लिखिएगा. A gratuity amount amounting to rupees 19,81,618 have already been paid by depositing the said amount in the account of the petitioner on 27/06/2024. It is also submitted by the respondent contender bank that from May 2019, the petitioner will get rupees 44,584 as basic pension as admissible. At the same time, the respondent bank by its said communication dated 27/06/2024, আগত যে লিখিছে, by its communication 27/0, apprised the court that an amount of rupees 49,691.65, 62,71.00, 97,219.00, 16,200.00, and 2,44,449.00, altogether 4,75,280.65 is recoverable from the outstanding loan amount of the petitioner with interest, which shall be recovered from the arrear salary. Full stop. It is seen that on 05/03/2024, the court specifically directed to bring on records the steps taken by it to comply with the directions passed by the court by the order dated 28/01/2022 in WPC number 184/2019, and after dismissal of the writ appeal number 07/2022 by order dated 30/01/2024. In view of the above, place this matter on 18th July. On or before,
May I request on any another after it?
give us a date, give us a date.
Twenty-seventh or 28th.
Okay.
Sorry.
List on
No, it's this Saturday, Sunday. 29th will be Monday, 29th.
29th. Okay. List on 29th July. In the meanwhile, the respondent of the Contempt Bank shall file a detailed report pertaining to the compliance of the orders of the court dated 28/01/2022, passed in WPC number 184/2019 in terms of the order passed earlier on 05/03/2024 in this contempt petition. Copy of the communication dated 27/06/24 placed by Mr. Z. Tarak, counsel appearing for the respondent Contempt Bank, be kept as a part of the record.
May I let them at least pay the nominal pension at least, because
I
they.
think, Mr. Tarak, you cannot block the pension.
No, we have now,
No, after 2
Just
years.
pension will be paid monthly as per.
when, after his death,
Well,
No.
it is in the knowledge of bank.
Now,
He's getting
no,
failure.
even in this communication that will be paid, when?
It's all specific order.
This is, you said the 44,
Payment of pension will be made as per.
44,584 will be paid, but we want to know when.
This they have, I have to ask.
So, in the affidavit to be filed by the respondent bank shall also clarify about the payment of pension payable to the petitioner from May 2019 till date has been paid or not, if not, why?
Always.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, I as well as my
A
lord,
detailed order
Yeah.
was passed yesterday
Yeah.
in the connected WPC number 428/2002 3. The respondent, the matter relates to non-compliance of the order dated 13/02/2002 passed by this court in WPC number 981 AP 2001. It was passed almost 22 years, 4 months back, where the court directed the state respondents to frame recruitment rules regulating the service conditions of the Department of Tourism of the state, including the selection and appointment to the post of director within bracket tourism or the equivalent post in the Department of Tourism of the state within a period of 6 months from the receipt of the said order. From 6 months from the said order. The conduct of the respondents state clearly reflects the mockery of judiciary. It is placed before the court that as on date, the said recruitment rules in the Department of Tourism of the state has not yet been framed. And don't write, it is not say that. The state respondents have not yet framed the recruitment rules regulating the service conditions of the Department of Tourism till date. Issue notice. Now this is the handle.
Your Lordship, if I may.
Yesterday we made it clear that we'll give you a handle and you will get it a handle.
Yes, Your Lordship, if I may.
Now we are not listening to anything. You have to explain. If you speak, then you have to explain
Your
why
Lordship,
this delay
I have
of
been-
22 years, 4 months.
I have been.
Nothing else.
I have
Whether
been
you have
ins-
joined recently, you have joined earlier.
No, Your Lordship,
Nothing.
at this stage, my only prayer is, Your Lordship,
Issue notice, we are not going to listen anything. Returnable by 38th of August. And that is sufficient.
Your Lordship,
On the returnable date, the failure on the part of the respondents to frame the failure on the part of the respondents to place the relevant recruitment rules in the Department of Tourism of the state as directed by the court on 13/02/2002. Both the respondents have to personally appear before the court.
Your Lordship, I have been instruction, Your Lordship.
No instruction. Place it. Yes, Mr. Pranay.
Why don't, notice was issued on 12th of March. They have not responded yet.
No matter, we need some more time, my lord. Because my earlier there was a standing council, my lord, for UT.
Tell us on which date you will file, you will submit your affidavit.
After
Give us a
vacation,
date. No, we want a date. That's all. Since you have taken the responsibility, now give us a date.
July 30, my lord. After-
How many weeks?
It's 5 weeks, but my lord, 3 weeks is vacation.
Okay. Are you sure that you will able to file your affidavit by
I'll
July
try my
30th?
best, my lord.
Heard Mr. Deepangi, counsel appearing for the petitioners. Petitioner. Also heard Madam Pranam appearing for the
All the rest.
All the respondents.
all the respondents number 1 to 5.
my lord. 6 is private respondent.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Petitioners shall take steps For service of notice on the respondent number 6. On or before 01/07/2024. By registered post which ID, providing its correct and proper address with requisite postal stamps. Oh, as direct, honor before, as directed. On or by the order dated 31/05/2024. Oh, directed earlier, huh? By order dated such and such. It is submitted by such and such appearing for the respondent number 1 to 5. That the necessary affidavits in the matter shall be filed on behalf of those respondents without fail on or before 30/07/2024. Considering the same, list this matter on 1st of August. No further time shall be taken, granted to the respondent numbers 1 to 5 to file their affidavits in the matter. Failing which, this matter shall proceed ex parte against those respondents. Yes.
Lordship, there is urgency in the case, Lordship.
Hmm.
This matter, this government advocate has requested me to this adjourn the matter, Lordship. There is the issue is this improper assessment of land compensation assessment. I've challenged.
Some components have been paid to you.
Yes,
Just tell us, where is the acquisition notice?
Lordship, kindly see, that is the issue, Lordship. Kindly see this page number 33.
33, yes.
Already assessment has been done. Assessment done, Lordship.
Right,
So the government wanted to release this amount. Whereas, Lordship, we have on our part, we have been due to improper assessment, we are suffering, Lordship.
no,
That is it.
this land was taken over under which procedure? By following certain procedure, right?
Yes, procedure, Lordship, exactly procedure is what, Lordship, that the.
How they have,
government
under
advocate-
which provisions of law your land was taken over?
Kindly see, first of all, we have been informed that.
Page 26, my lord.
Page
Page 26.
26.
Yes. Page 26, yes.
June land regulation, my lord, 1947, under section
That
10.
That, first one, Arunachal Pradesh Code 1. Ma'am, you are aware regarding this provision in the Act, in the Zoom cultivation,
Yes, my lord, but my-
1947.
Yes, yeah, my lord, but my lord, on the last occasion, my lord, the instruction was,
No, see, unless you help the court, how court will adjudicate? See, there is a provision in this 1947 Act. What is the definition of Zoom lands? Whether this land comes under the provisions of Zoom's land? There is a definition in this 47 Act. This is first. Unless the land is not a Zoom
Yes.
land, because Zoom land is 15 cultivation,
yes, my lord, cultivate,
right?
but yes, my lord.
And it has to be step cutting and everything.
Yes.
So if the land is not a Zoom land, by clearing the jungles and everything, you'll not able to take over that land and these provisions. Now, you have to pay assessment. You are doing it because Section 10 of the Zoomland Act provides that the government may acquire any Zoomland required for public purpose. No formal acquisition proceeding shall be necessary. But
But here, my lord,
an opportunity shall be given to those having rights in the land to show cause against such acquisition, and a reasonable compensation shall be paid for all land required under this section. Now, how will you assess under the Zoomland? There is no provision for assessment of compensation.
but when assessment was done, my lord, and
Assessment was done on what procedure?
in the Zoomland only, my lord.
Was there a Zoomland Amendment Act
No,
saying that the land can be assessed under the Zoomland Act? There is no provision.
No.
If you have acquired it after 2013, say from 1st January 2014,
Mhm.
then you have to pay the land compensation in terms of the 2013 Act. That is the only act in force which provides for payment of compensation. There is another act, Requisition and Acquisition of Compensation Act.
Mhm.
Which in short we call it RIP Act, Requisition and Acquisition of Immovable Property Act. First, there you have to requisition it, you have to use it, then you have to acquire it.
yes,
There is another provision there for assessment of compensation. But this is not a requisition case, this is straight away acquisition.
yes.
And Zoomland Act 1947 doesn't show the procedure under what basis. So you have to comply with the provisions of the 2013 Act. You must able to show that while assessing the compensation, you have followed these components. Sometimes the court might come heavily on the respondents, not only the government, but also the BRTF and others who are building the roads. If you have pointed out page 26, it's clearly for the proposed right of way. You have not said what kind of land, but if it doesn't come, the land doesn't come under the definition of Zoomland, entire process of acquisition under that act will go.
Yes, my lord.
Right? When do you want?
On Monday, there is urgency in the matter.
Not on Monday.
After vacation, just after
This
vacation.
will be immediately after vacation.
In
We
case-
can consider
in that- in that
17,
case-
18th.
In that case, interim order may be considered. There is no
17.
stay order.
What stay order?
This money may not be released, that compensation amount. In case of release of that amount.
Your name is there in the list,
Yes,
beneficiary, list of beneficiary.
Lordship, that is why.
Your name is not in the list of
Not
beneficiaries.
not in this. That is why. We are claiming there is improper compensation. In case money is
In
released.
proper compensation or improper
improper
preparation of
assess-
list
in-
of compensation.
improper assessment.
Assessment.
That is why. Interim order may be considered also. Otherwise.
Where is your application before the deputy commissioner to include your name?
Kindly say Lordship, page number. One is page number
54.
immediate reassessment Lordship.
Reassessment for what? For the land value or to include your name?
Not exactly include our name, to assess the whole state.
This go through the judgments of the apex court. Construction of road cannot be stopped. But payment can be disbursed later.
Kindly see, my prayer is very simple, Lordship. Now where we come down to Lordship, this page number,
Listen, list this matter
Yes.
on 24th. In the meanwhile, before that you raise, notice in this case was issued on 19/3/2024, and the respondents number 1 to 5 are yet to file their affidavits. List on 24th of July. In the meanwhile, the respondents shall file their affidavit without fail. Pendency of this petition shall not be a bar for the Deputy Commissioner, Upper Siang District, to dispose of the petition, representation of petitioners dated 29/09/2023, as well as the Chief Secretary cum Civil Chief Vigilance Officer of the state to dispose of the representation of the petitioner dated 09/10/2023. Annexes Roman 7 and Roman 8 to this petition.
Lordship, I wanted to kindly see page number 32, Lordship. As per the page number 32, on our request, Lordship, the DC has taken action, Deputy Commissioner concerned, to assess our genuinely left out cases.
That we have seen,
Yes.
Land Management
Accordingly,
Department.
on that day, as per this notification, it was to be this reassessment survey was to be done on 29 September
The
2023.
Deputy Commissioner Upper Siang District, as well as the Chief Secretary of the state, on the next date fixed, i.e. 24/07/2024, shall apprise the court about the status of those two representations of the petitioners.
Number 7.
Yes, Mr. Purve.
My lord, I am taking some more time, my lord, to filing opinion opposition description, my lord. I am for 2 and 3, my lord. This is listing for second time, my lord, in the case, my lord. I am yet to receive instruction.
Mr. Purve, give us a date.
But my humble submission is this is a listing second time, my lord. After receiving instruction, my lord, that need to be sent for law betting also, my lord. So instead of fixed date, my lord, may I pray?
Give us some time, give us at least, you'll be knowing better when you're able to procure the instruction and all.
30 August, 30 July, my lord.
Okay, we'll fix it sometime in the last week of July.
July, yes, my lord.
Okay,
30.
none appeared for the petitioner on call. Do names of 4 councils have been reflected in the cause list. Hard MS such and such, learned government advocate, Arunachal Pradesh for the respond numbers. You are appearing for 1,
1 and 4.
1 and
4.
4. And Mr. Parme,
For 2 and 3, my lord.
you are standing council agriculture,
My lord.
standing council agriculture department for the respond number 2 and 3. List on 30th of July. In the meanwhile, the respondents 1 to 4 shall file their respective affidavits in the matter without fail. Wishing all of you a very happy